It's a 2016 Audi A3. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, power windows, leather bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.